I've been in the kitchen and bathroom remodeling industry for almost 20 years, and here's more things that I see when I stay at hotels. I'm here at the Hampton Inn by Hilton in Huntley near Chicago, and we've got a Delta Trinsic single handle faucet in polished chrome with a standard 17 by 14 oval undermount sink. Now that pairs pretty nicely with the GROHE, I believe that is a Concetto, but that is definitely a GROHE fixture. Now the interesting thing about this shower, they did a good job. They picked a tubular handle with a tubular handle over there. But the shower head, I am pretty sure that is not a GROHE, because generally speaking, GROHE likes to label their stuff. That looks to me like a generic replacement, which, let's be honest, that tends to happen. And everything's in polished chrome except, well, the shower drain is in white to match the shower pan. That's a good call there, but the grab bar is a regular stainless steel grab bar. Despite the fact that there are plenty of polished options available, you've got a brushed and a polished finish, which is, to my eye, rather striking, because you've got this compared to this. The hardware for the sliding glass shower door is also polished chrome, but then back over here to the robe hook, which stylistically the robe hook matches the rest of the fixtures, but that's a brushed nickel. And then coming down here, we've got the toilet handle. Now this is a generic replacement part, but they went with a traditional toilet handle on a KOHLER Wellworth toilet. Now the standard stock handle with the KOHLER Wellworth is a little more contemporary. This is a very traditional looking handle. This, I guarantee you, they went to the hardware store, they picked up whatever was on the shelf and they threw that in there. It's polished chrome, but it doesn't match anything else in the bathroom. Stylistically, again, the robe hook and the toilet paper match the other fixtures, except brushed nickel, polished chrome. In the little coffee bar kitchenette area right here, we've got a KOHLER Forte bathroom faucet in polished chrome on a stainless steel drop-in bathroom sink. Now, this is an interesting choice because they went with a brushed finish sink with a polished faucet. And stylistically, I will say that it doesn't really match, the faucet handle does not match anything else in the entire suite. And the hardware matches the sink, but not the faucet. So the lesson I want you to take away is this: make your faucet handles match, make your finishes match, or someone like me will come in and get really judgy about your remodel.